What's up? I'm attorney Derek Gray of Graystar Legal. We are a criminal law firm located here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and this is our FAQ series. Today's question is going to deal with DWIs, which stands for driving while impaired charges. Specifically, the question is, what is the community service requirement behind a DWI conviction? So in order for us to get into the ins and outs of the community service requirement, we have to talk about the law of DWI. That's 20-138.1 here in North Carolina. And what you need to know about DWIs is they're sentenced at different levels, okay? In North Carolina, once you're charged with a DWI, you start out at a level 4 DWI. Now there are 6 different levels. To go through them briefly, you have at the top, the highest level DWI, misdemeanor DWI, is what we call an A1 or aggravated level 1 DWI. Below that, we have a level 1, then it goes level 2, level 3, level 4, and the lowest level DWI that you can be sentenced for is a level 5 DWI. So understanding that levels 3, 4, and 5 are the only levels in which there is typically a community service requirement, okay? A level 3 DWI would mean that there's aggravating factors in the particular case. I won't get into the whole list of aggravating factors that could typically apply, but if you are sentenced under a level 3 DWI, your community service requirement will be 72 hours. Under a level 4 DWI, your community service requirement will be 48 hours. And under a level 5 DWI, your community service requirement will be 24 hours. Now, what you need to understand about the requirement is it's either or. It's either active time or it's community service. Most judges on 3, 4, and 5s always opt for the community service option, but theoretically, they could put you in jail for 3 days, 2 days, or 1 day, depending on what level you are actually convicted of. Furthermore, there's typically a community service fee associated with completing those hours. A lot of times with my clients, I like to have them do the community service requirement prior to court, and the courts will accept that if you've completed the community service at a reputable agency in which the court recognizes. And that will save clients some money on the back end as far as court costs are concerned, and they also get credit for the completion of that community service requirement. So hope that answers your question. If you're level 3, it's 72 hours. Level 2, it's 48. Sorry, level 3, it's 72 hours. Level 4 is 48 hours. And level 5, it is 24 hours as far as community service requirement. Hope that answers your question. If you have any other follow-up questions about what we discussed today, don't hesitate to drop a question below or feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk about it. I'd love to help. Y'all take care.